क्लब वास्को द गामा बंद पडिल्लो टेबल टेनिस टुर्नामेंट अनुसावन परत सुरू जाता. दोतोर फिलिप पिंटो यादस्तीक ऑल गोवा टेबल टेनिस सर्त पणजे गार्डना कडल्या ह्या क्लबान 18 तारखेर सुरू जातली.
Me being a part of the committee of Club Vasco da Gama, we decided that there was a tournament which existed, which was conducted before in the initial years, but had stopped over a period of time. So we decided to revive the tournament in this club, and we decided to give it a new name and sponsor it under Dr. Philip Pinto's name. We have got all Goa major ranking from the Goa Table Tennis Association, and we are proud to announce that this will be an annual event in the Goa Table Tennis calendar.
So far we have got around 170 entries. Still one more day is there. We should touch about 200 entries for this tournament. There will be, for this tournament, there will be 3 outstanding players who will be participating. One is India number 2, who is the silver medalist last week, Sandesh Mapsekar. He will also be donning India colors for the next international tournament that is being held in Delhi. That's India Open Careers and Sub-Junior Championship. Also for this tournament will be first tournament in Goa. Tanisi Kirtani will be playing in this tournament. As you know, she has won many international medals, silver medals in Portugal, in Spain, in Egypt, in Iran. She has won. Another international player will be Wesley Rosario, who will also be playing in this tournament.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.